All right, as a new user to SAMplus, the first thing you do is you click the sign up button, enter your organization information, and click next. There's some basic test information. Once you click next, choose your subscription style. For individuals, choose one user at $24.99 a month, hit subscribe. After you hit subscribe, you will have the ability to enter a coupon if you have one. If not, go ahead and continue to subscribe. And at this point, if you have link in previous purchases, you can use it. Otherwise, pay without link, and you can type in your credit card information, hit subscribe, and that's the entire process. Then you go back to SAMplus and type in your email that was just that you gave it. In this case, I'll type in my email. The system will send you a verification email. Once you get the email and click on the link, you'll be presented with the dashboard. Now, it's important to know that the world of SAMplus doesn't take every NAICS code into account or every opportunity from SAM.gov. It uses the 515456 families, and we are always adding new NAICS codes to process. The dashboard is a list of opportunities similar to how you might find in another system. But quickly you can click on your filters, search by opportunity, search by name, product service code, system score, NAICS code, set aside, etc. And you can read those. Once you've gone through the scoring parameters, you can choose your score, and red is not a match, yellow is a slight match or our default, and then green is the qualified. These are ones that you have set up in your scoring parameters that are qualified to you. That's what makes SAMplus different than other tools, is we have a scoring system that allows you to inform it of what you want. The scoring wizard over here on the left allows you to choose your scoring parameters. We have a section for functional categories, for agencies, for NAICS codes, set-asides, and opportunity types. And you can also determine the weight of those, similar to a college exam or quizzes has a different weight. In each of these scoring parameters, watch the video to give you a brief overview of it. Each one has a video. You can simply click the box and let the video load and understand more about this section. Once you've done that, you can click here and you will see this page refresh to show you the newest list of opportunities with your scoring changes taken into account. Once you have this list and you decide that you want to go after one of these, as an example, this request for quotes for data robot from the Navy, you have two choices. One, you can click on the link and get to the detail screen, which I will show you. Or two, you can click on the row and see the details, the basic information, the government's objective, clearances and certifications, the snapshot. And if you look down at the bottom, you see the scope of work instructions, eval factors, tech outline, business volume, and functional categories. Everything here was determined by AI as it read through the documents in a typical RAG application. We download all the opportunities and read through them, and then place them in a nice, understandable format so that you don't have to do all that work. And it should cut down the time you use determining if a opportunity passes the identification qualification phase and is something that you want to pursue. If it is something you want to pursue, then you can determine if you want to go somewhere else to follow it, go to sam.gov and follow the opportunity page or things like that. To get to that sam.gov page, you simply click the opportunity link right here and that'll go straight to sam.gov. The link on the left allows you to go to the opportunity details, which gives you all of those pieces of information, plus the ability to ask Bob. Sam.gov is Sam. We're Bob. Bob understands. Bob's read through the information. Sam just gives it to you. So you can ask Bob any question you want, and you'll be using the AI to get that answer. You can also have the chat history, which stores your questions for you. So future times you come in, you can see the question and the answer. And these are in the external sources links to our sister tool, our free tool, FPDS Plus. It allows you to get to those very useful charts to use in your capture. And any attachments that have come down through the system are listed here. In addition, if you download a zip, you're going to get the PDF also. So instead of reading through these tabs, if you just wanted a PDF of the entire opportunity, you click the download PDF button and it will generate a PDF for you with all of that information listed in a nice, easy, and understandable format. SAMplus logo at the top and all the sections that we have just talked about straight to the bottom in addition to external sources and attachments. So you can pass that around your office, email it as you wish. That is the PDF, which comes with a download zip, or you can click it and get it yourself. Another key feature of this tool is the opportunity distribution graph. We don't believe in graphs that just sit there and do nothing. We like them to be dynamic. So if we decided to search for opportunities in HHS, and now we see between this date range, which we could click on and choose if we wanted to, or change the range, we see quickly there's 2 in 517 family, 6 in 518. If we wanted to look at those, we just click them, and here are those 6, and we can see that the green one matches my scoring parameters. So that's a brief overview of the world of SAMplus. Make sure to check out the organization user section, and when you go to the users, you can click on your own name and choose a daily report from a qualified or an all perspective. This will give you a report at the end of the day of everything that the system has processed that day. And you can also look through it that way.